welcome to my place.
Wow, what a beautiful place. What a
you.
beautiful tree. Hi, how are ya? Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Good to meet you.
Yeah. I'm fine to meet you. Welcome.
Thank you. Hi, how are you? Hi.
So, Robbie, you sponsored me last time during the 9th PDC. And,
Well, you know what?
yeah.
The person who sponsored you is Greg Minchell, and you should say thank you, Greg Minchell.
I was sponsored by Greg for the 9th PDC, and I'm very grateful and I'm very happy for that. Greg, you rock. So this project is around 8 months old, and have a lot of elements, diversified elements. Yeah, I have pineapples, I have bananas, sugarcane, mawiki and pawpaws, and even indigenous vegetables are also here.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's really good. Oh, look at all those pineapples.
Yeah,
Whoa.
I planted pineapple just recently.
Those are good. They're going to be so good
Yeah,
when they grow.
Yeah, they are going to do great. Yeah, these are the parts, the food parts.
Yeah.
Yeah. So these are syntropic beds, and here we don't use chemicals. We use biological materials like the biological cow dung. Yeah, so we use them. You also use the charcoal dust for mulching and for purification of the soil. Yeah, and you can see the kales are really doing well.
They're doing really well. They
Yeah,
look
they're
fabulous.
good. Yeah. So I've integrated this area with so many elements. Like next to the fence, there's sugarcane.
All right.
There is also the indigenous vegetable called cowpea. Yeah, they are coming out. Yeah.
Wow, this looks really good.
Yeah.
Like, why are you putting this here?
Like I just
This
said.
one, this one.
Yeah, this one for, okay, you see this one, they are dry stalks from the maize.
Yes.
So when you put them, they decompose with the time.
Yeah.
So whenever they decompose, they release humus into the soil.
Yeah, they
Yeah,
re-
and
it
that
re-releases
is
the carbon
adding,
back
yeah,
into the soil.
Nutrients,
the
soil
nutrients
building.
in the soil. Yeah.
That's great. So you have rain capture.
Yeah, you capture the energy. You trap the energy, like in our farms, we have the energy from the sun, from the wind, from the rainwater. So here I just trap the rainwater, then it enters into my pot, and then my pot now irrigates the bed.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, like you can see, it's wet and
Breathing.
it's breathing, as you can see.
Yeah.
So it breathes and covers the entire bed.
It's
Self-watering.
whether you are doing something else or not, but
Yeah,
your
it's
system
working
is
on
the
its
design
own.
is working for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The water is being harvested, is being distributed, and the plants are growing.
Yeah.
And you don't dig and you don't weed.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
How deep is the biochar?
This one,
Yeah, how deep is it?
it's not that deep. It's just a cover. You can see. This is
Nice.
the media. This is the growth media. This is
Perfect.
the growth media. Then this now the
You
biochar.
can see this soil is quite moist
Yeah.
compared to the one that is here.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
what did you put here? The grasses?
So at first, when you want to make this bed, you start with the dry sticks or the dry logs. Then you add the dry matter, the leaves. You collect the leaves that are dry. You add. So that leaves is for carbon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, you know the dry leaves contain the carbon. So after adding that, you add the water. After adding water, you add a layer of green leaves for nitrogen fertilizer.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So After adding that layer of green leaves, you add the water to attract the microorganisms or to create the microbial environment for for the microbes to decompose the materials that you placed here.
Yeah.
Then from that you add the compost manure or the manure from the animals. It is called premature compost manure. So you add it and you add water. After that, you add a growth media, that is a soil. It can be a soil from the forest. Yeah, we know the soil from the forest is very fertile. You can
And has
also
really good microorganisms.
yeah. You can also source it from the anthill. You know the anthill?
Yes,
Yeah,
yeah. Great soil,
Yeah,
great
that,
medium, yeah.
Like this one, I sourced it from the anthill. Yeah, it's very fertile. You can also source it from where charcoal is being burnt.
Burnt charcoal
Burnt
soil.
charcoal soil, you know.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, where charcoal has been burnt for quite time. Yeah, you can source the growth media from that.
Like now the one that we packed, the black one.
That's a great system.
This is where we did the practical for syntropic during our 10th PDC. Yeah, so the students did their practicals here and they made these syntropic beds and they planted these elements where the vegetable line, the tree line, and the fruit line also.
Very nice.
So they are doing well. And this popo, Kajulu planted this popo.
All right.
Yeah. And that banana.
All right.
So her popo is doing well over here.
Nice.